Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my seminar. My today's seminar topic is form handling and connecting a database using a PHP and MySQL. In this seminar, I'm going to explain HTML forms and form handling in a PHP. And second one is introduction to MySQL. And the third one is uh, connecting a database to connecting a PHP to MySQL. And fourth one is executing SQL queries and SQL query operations. And next topic is record counting and record how to record accountings and what are the functions are used. And next and last topic is my admin overview and its uses. So let's begin with the seminar. Connect form handling and connecting a database. It is a very important topic in web development because it explains how a website interact with the users and stores their data permanently. And in a real life, we register in a website by logging and submitting any details of ours by filling forms. And these entered data of forms are processed and stored safely because both PHP and MySQL make it possible. PHP handles the logic. PHP handles logically of a server, and MySQL handles the database and manages it and stores your data permanently. And next topic is we'll jump to HTML forms and form handling in a PHP. HTMLs are used to collect user inputs like such as usernames, passwords, and emails and feedbacks. HTML forms data sent to a server side by using modules like get module or a post module. And when the user click on a submit button, it will send to a PHP file, and PHP access it and process it, and it gives the whole, it make a whole thing, and it PHP process and access it. Then it takes a it process it by using global variables like dollar get variable or a dollar post variable. And it is nothing but in whole concept conclusion is PHP process it, and um, HTML give a input, and PHP process it, and MySQL stores it and permanently in a database. And next topic is introduction to MySQL. MySQL, it is a open source database management system which is used to create a retrieve and insert, retrieve, and update and delete the queries and our data. In this MySQL, SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and this is it. MySQL's main advantage, it is fast and very secure. And next topic is connecting a PHP to MySQL. To retrieve and store a data, we need PHP to connect with the MySQL, and these connections are made by using PDO or MySQLi functions. And the PHP provider MySQL provides database host names and usernames, database exist like and give a connection, establish connections. If the connection fails, the error message will be shown in the screen. And this all how we connect PHP to MySQL. And next one is what are the SQL queries are SQL operations are used. Before that, how execution in a SQL query works. After establishing, SQL queries can be worked by using a function like SQLi function. This is the one of the most important function while using SQL queries. And second, next one is SQL operations. This use a curd function. It means for C for creating, U for R for retrieving, U for updating, and D for deleting. CRUD function, it is a most important in that first one comes insert. It is used to insert it is used to add or insert into database. And next one is retrieving is nothing but selecting some main important what we need in that existing database, like selecting it. And the third one is modifying. Third one is a modifying. It is nothing but modifying and updating. It is nothing but updating and modifying in a exist database only. And next one is deleting is nothing but removing what we don't need in from a database. And next topic is counting a record. Counting a record means it's nothing but it is nothing but we have to sometimes we have to know how many datas and how many table rows are printed, how many records are printed in a database table. And to count the number of rows, PHP provide one function called PHP SQLi number of num rows function. It is the most important function. And next one is next topic is my admin overview. This is nothing but a web base. It is nothing but a web based tool which is used to manage and maintain a database. And its uses are, it is used to create and delete the database tables, and created tables, and import and export the databases. And next we can insert it in this. And we can write and execute the SQL queries. And these are the topic I am explained. It is nothing but what are the conclusion is HTML collects the data and PHP process it, and MySQL make this whole data stores in permanently. And these all technologies, by combining, we can make a powerful um, powerful web applications or a powerful website by using a PHP. Thank you.